Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk on a subject which is very, very important because this is the root which is going to make your life very strong. All of us who have got parents are supposed to be very, very lucky in this world. Parents are our first God. They are the only true well wishers in our life who has educated us, who have made us to what we are today. So let us consider why our parents are so important to us. What they have done so much to us that they are important, and what is it we can learn from their experiences to make our life smoother, richer, and more as an example for our children and the next generation. Okay, friends? Right, let us go right away. Our parents' first objective was they had the greatest courage in all the adversities they have faced. They have never told us what difficulties they have met. They will never express what financial commitments and problems they have. That is one of the best practices. Today we start moaning everything. We start screaming about everything. We start getting frustrated about everything. We start murmuring about everything. Did you ever see your parents do that? They will digest all the problems and then only show their bright and happy faces to us when we are growing. That is the way you have to lead your life, because they used to self-encourage themselves. Even when they were very, very down in their life, they used to find the root cause of the problems, rectify that, and then shift the gaze to make themselves flexible to adjust the right mindset, and made themselves successful because they had an objective in life to make themselves successful and to make their children successful. And for that they used to listen to lot of mythological books, lot of great preachers, lot of great teachers, go to temples, go to their historical places, make their mind pure and rich. That is what we are all missing in this life, my dear friends. We have to take that as an example. Okay, next thing, for them, family was very, very important, whatever is there. Their pleasures and their happiness were not important. For them, upbringing the family was very important. To uphold their family so that they can be handholded and made successful. That was their prime objective. They used to spend time with us. They used to eat with us. They used to have dinner with us. They used to take us out. They used to recreate with us. They had to groom the children at the right time with the right set of people, create in the right situation and the circumstances. And they used to also make them independent. This was the root cause for which we are all what we are today. Okay. The next and the most important thing is they love everybody from their heart. They never had commercial outlook as we all have today. Today you will have many, many people reaching out to us on a commercial basis. What is it you are doing? How can we start a business together? Even a phone call to us always has a commercial motive. They never had that commercial motive in their life. So that is one thing which we have to imbibe, because ultimately it is happiness. It is family and friends that is important for us. What is it we are going to take in our life other than happiness, friends and family members? Genuinely they were interested in others grow around us. They were not only helping their children to grow, but also their uncles' children, aunts' children, all the family, because the family itself was a joint family. They never used to distinguish between their children, my children and somebody else. They used to have a genuine interest in upbringing everybody who were in need of help. That was the greatest of principles, which all of us, in fact, to be truthfully speaking out, are lacking today. So we should try to imbibe that, to help others without expecting anything in return. Because somebody needs a help and God has given a position for us to help others. So we should take that as an opportunity to help, because that is going to give us self-satisfaction without expecting absolutely anything in return. Okay, friends. Now, the next thing is principles and ethics. You find most of the previous generation had very, very strong principles and ethics while leading in their life. Today it has become very commercialized. What are the principles they had, because of which they were very, 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 very great as an example takers? Because they were truthful to themselves, to their jobs, to their life. And they never used to cheat others, betray others, have any shortcut for success. They used to just follow what their parents, what their teachers, and what their advisors say. They never used to cross-question. I don't say cross-questioning is a problem, but following them truthfully has its own advantages without cross questioning, because some things may be hidden values which we may not be able to understand at the right point of age. That is the whole objective of that. So they used to have a strong bondage with all the family members. That is why you say whenever there is a marriage, whenever there is a family function, they used to take all of us. Today, you tell me, friends, how many of us take our family to all the functions? Our children are, they are engaged in their own iPads, laptops, games, and other things. How many of our children know the entire family within us? It's very unfortunate, It's very unfortunate, because the next generation does not even know how many set of relatives I have. Whether they are in India or abroad, they don't know who the relative circles are. Because we consciously or unconsciously exclude them from taking everywhere as far as the family functions are concerned. Take it a point to take all of them to that, introduce them, have a continuous bondage on a regular basis. These are all very, very important in life, friends. This is why our parents were very great than our lives and we. So ultimately what I wanted to say is, talk to your parents. Their experience in life is worth the gold. Make them realize that we want to follow them as their followers. Learn from them what they have done in life, what they have not done in life, how we can lead our life with happiness and success, what we have to do to see that. So if you really remember, in those generations, people had limited resources but unlimited happiness. Now we have unlimited resources but very limited happiness. Learn the secrets from your parents. Parents' experience are worth gold, more than gold, and billions of worth of money. Okay, friends, with these few words, I would like to end my videos. Realize the importance of parents. Make them happy by talking to them. Learn from their experiences. Ask them what you have to do in every walk of life, even if they are not relevant with the latest technologies, because their process of succeeding is far more superior than our process of succeeding these days. With these few words, I wish you all the best in your future. Thank you for listening to me. Hit the subscribe button and the bell button to continuously listen to my motivational speeches like this and make our lives more richer and happy. Thanks.